Good morning, everybody. Today I am going to tell you one important information. Okay, from today's session onwards, we will be solving some examples also in your textbook. So please bring your pencil, eraser and textbook while watching the video. I will repeat this. From today's session onwards, we will be solving some examples in your textbook. So please bring your pencil, eraser and textbook while watching the math videos. Is that clear for you? Okay, now those who do not have your pencil, eraser or textbook, go and bring it. I will wait for a minute. Please go quickly and come. Okay. Are you ready with your textbook, pencil and eraser? Okay. So can you tell me what we learnt in the previous session? Yes, we learnt about addition. We learnt about addition. So before learning the new topic, we will be doing a short recap on what we learnt in the previous session. Can somebody tell me what is meant by addition? Yeah, addition means putting things together and counting all. Addition means, can you repeat with me? Addition means putting things together and counting all. Repeat with me. Addition means putting things together and counting all. Do you remember the example which I showed in the last class? Here there are 5 crayons and 2 color pencils. Now I want to add these crayons and color pencils. So what is the first step that we do? Putting things together. So I am going to put the crayons and the color pencils together. Now what is the next step? I have to count. So can we count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So totally how many items are there? 7 items. We had 5 crayons and we had 2 pencils. Together they give 7 items. So 5 plus 2 gives you 7. What is this plus? This is the symbol of addition. This is the symbol of addition. Do you all remember this? Okay. In today's session, we are going to learn about adding 1. We are going to learn about what? Adding 1. Can you see the picture that I have shown here? This is a picture of few books. Can you count and tell me how many books are here? Yeah, there are 3 books. Now what I am going to do is add one more book to it. Now I am going to add one more book. So what is the first step in the addition? Putting things together. So we are going to put both the books together. So how many books are there now? What is the second step? We are going to count. 1, 2, 3, 4. So totally how many books we got? 4 books. Initially we had 3 books. You added one more book to it. So we got how many books? 4 books. So 3 plus 1 gives you 4. Understood? You will see one more example. Here is a picture of few dogs. Can you count and tell me how many dogs are here? Correct. There are 4 dogs. Now I am going to add one more dog to it. I am going to add one more dog. So what is the first step in addition? Putting things together. So I am going to put the dog, both these dogs together. Yes. Now can you see how many dogs are there in all? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So how many dogs in all? 5. So 4 plus 1 gives you 5. So 4 plus 1 gives you 5. Now let us see one more example. What is shown in this picture? It is a plate with some cookies. There is a plate with some cookies. Can you count and tell me how many cookies are there in it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So how many cookies are in the plate? 6 cookies are there. Now what we are going to do? We are going to add one more cookie. We are going to do what? Add one more cookie in the plate. So what is our first step in addition? Putting things together. So we are going to put all the cookies in the plate together. What is the next step? Counting all. So we will count here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So how many cookies we got in all? 7 cookies. So in the beginning we had 6 cookies. In the beginning we had 6 cookies. We added one more cookie in the plate. Now we got how many cookies? 7 cookies. Now I will show you one more example. Now can you see the picture of some leaves here? Yes, can you count and tell how many leaves are shown here? Correct, there are 5 leaves shown here. Now I am going to add one more leaf. I am going to add what? One more leaf. So in addition, what is the first step? Putting things together. So we are going to put all the leaves together. Okay, so now all the leaves are here. Can you tell me how many leaves are there now? What is the next step? Counting all. Can you count and tell me how many leaves? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So totally how many leaves are here? 6. So we had initially 5 leaves. We added one more leaf. Totally we got how many leaves? 6 leaves here. Did you understand this? This is called as adding 1. Now you will see few more examples. Look here. 3 plus 1 gives you 4. 6 plus 1 gives you 7. 8 plus 1 gives you 9. Very good. 4 plus 1 gives you 5. 5 plus 1 gives you 6. And the last one is 9 plus 1 gives you 10. So from these addition statement, what did you identify? Okay, I will tell you. See, when you add 1 to 6, okay, we are adding 1 with 6. The answer is the next number of 6, that is 7. So we added 1 to 3. We are adding 1 with 3. So what is the answer? The next number of 3, which is 4. So when 1 is added to a number, the answer is always the next number. The answer is always the next number. When you add 1 to a number, the answer is always the next number. Let us say you have 2 chocolates with you. You are going to add one more chocolate. So what will be the total number of chocolates? 3. So when you are adding one more to a given number, the answer is always the next number, or the answer is always the number just after. Is it clear? This is called as adding 1. Now we will see some more examples. Okay kids, open your textbook. Go to page number 39. Go to page number 39 in your textbook. Have you all taken page number 39 in your textbook? Can you see here page number is given at the bottom. See, I am marking here. 39 is given here. Can you all open and go to page number 39? Yes, have you all taken it? Very good. Now look here. See the screen where I am marking. Adding 1. Can you see this? Adding 1. Yes or no? Can you see? Okay. Now can you count and tell me how many trees are given there? 3 trees are given. And they are going to add one more tree. They are going to add what? One more tree. So totally how many trees we have? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 3 plus 1 gives you 4. Can you see this? Now read the last line with me. Put your finger here. Put your finger on the last line. Can you see this word when? Put your finger there and repeat with me. When we add 1 to a number, the answer is the number just after. Can we tell it once again? When we add 1 to a number, the answer is the number just after. So when you are adding, now look at the screen. When you are adding 1 to a number, the answer is always the number just after, or the answer is always the next number. Yes, is that clear? Okay. Now can you see on the top of the page, get set. Can you see this in your textbook? Yes. Put your finger on this and we are going to solve this example. Okay. So put your finger on this word get set. Repeat with me. Get set. Now repeat this question with me. Renuka's necklace gets broken. She strings the separated beads and adds a few more beads to it. Help her by drawing one bead at each stage. Then count and fill in the boxes. Shall we read this question once again? Put your finger on the first word, Renuka's. Put your finger there. We are going to read this question once again. Renuka's necklace gets broken. She strings the separated beads and adds a few more beads to it. Help her by drawing one bead at each stage. Then count and fill in the boxes. Can you tell the name of this girl? Yes, her name is Renuka. She had one beautiful necklace which is made of beads, which is made of small beads. What happened to that necklace? It got broken. It got what? Broken, and the beads got separated. Now she is going to string these beads together. Okay, can you count and tell me how many beads are here in the beginning with her? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So in the beginning, how many beads she has? 5 beads. Now she is going to add one more bead. So here you have to draw one bead. You are going to draw one bead. Can you see one bead which I have drawn there? You also take your pencil and draw one bead here. So how many beads in the beginning she has? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And she is adding one more bead. So totally how many beads she will have here? 6 beads. 5 plus 1 gives you 6. So she totally has 6 beads now. Okay, now can you count how many beads are shown here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many beads are shown here down? 6 beads are down. And what she is doing? Again she is adding one more bead. So you have to draw here one more bead here. Can you see one more bead which I have drawn? Yes. 6 plus 1 will give you what? Yes. Right there. 7. Now count and tell me how many beads are in the next row. Yes, she has 7 beads. And she is adding one more bead. So we are going to draw one more bead. So 7 plus 1 gives you what? 8. Now again count how many beads are in the next row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So again she had how many beads? 8 beads. And what she is doing? Again she is adding one more bead. So we are going to draw one more beads here, one more bead here also. So 8 plus 1 gives you 9. Very good. Now we shall count and see how many beads are here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. She has 9 beads and she is adding one more bead. We are going to draw one more bead here. So 9 plus 1 gives you 10. Very good. So, did you all note it down in your textbook? Did you all note it down? Yes. Now put your finger here and read with me. There were 5 beads in the broken necklace. Renuka added dash more beads to it. So tell me how many more beads she added. Can we count and see? Here she added one more. Here one more. Here she added one more bead. Here she added one more. And here she added one more bead. So how many beads she added? Can we count and see? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So how many beads she added totally? 5 beads she added. Then there were dash beads. So totally finally how many beads she had? 10 beads. So she had totally 10 beads. Understood this? So from this picture what can you see? When you add 1 to a number, the answer is always the number just after, or the answer is always the next number. Can you read here? Plus means to add. You should always remember this symbol. This is the symbol for addition and it is called as plus. Is it clear? Did you all note it down in your textbook? Check your answer, what you are seeing in the screen and what you wrote in the textbook are same or not. Just check once again before we go on to the next page. Okay, go to the next page, page number 40. Turn the next page. Read the question with me. Put your finger here. Count. Can you repeat the question? Count and fill in the boxes. One has been done for you. So what we have to do? We have to count and fill in the boxes. The first question is done. Okay, so how many fish is shown here? One fish. And what we are doing? Adding one more fish. So what will be the total? We will have two fish. One fish plus one more fish will give you a total of 2. Correct? So 1 plus 1 gives 2. Can you repeat this? 1 plus 1 gives 2. Okay, now we will move on to question number B. Can you count and tell how many butterflies are shown here? Yes. How many butterflies? 7 butterflies are shown here. And what we are going to do? Add one more butterfly. So totally how many we will have? We have 7 butterflies. We are going to add one more butterfly. So totally how many butterflies we will have? 8. Very good. 7 plus 1 gives you 8. Is it clear? 7 plus 1 gives 8. Note it down in your textbook. Shall we move on to question number C? How many apples are shown here? Yes, 3 apples are shown here. What we are going to do? Add one more apple. So totally how many apples we will have? 3 plus 1 will give you 4. So 3 plus 1 gives 4 apples. So we had 3 apples. We are going to add one more to it. So totally how many we are having it now? 4 apples. Note it down in your textbook. D. Can you see a series of flowers here? Yes, count and tell me how many flowers are here. Yes, how many flowers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Did you all get 6 flowers? Very good. So we have 6 flowers here, and what we are going to do? We are going to add one more flower to it. So totally how much we will get? 6 plus 1 will give you 7 flowers. Yes, 6 plus 1 gives you 7 flowers. So as and when we are doing it in the textbook, please note it down in your textbook also. That is why I asked you to bring your textbook, pencil and eraser. So please note it down as and when we are doing in the screen. E. Question E. How many lines are shown here? 4 lines. Yes, we have 4 lines. What we are going to do? Add one more line to it. Yes. So 4 lines plus one more line will give you, yes, quite easy, right? 4 plus 1 gives you 5. 4 plus 1 gives you 5. F. How many pencils? 2 pencils. How many we are going to add? One more pencil. So totally 3 pencils. Very good. So 2 plus 1 gives you 3. Yes, last one. Can you count the number of leaves that is shown here? Did you all count? How many leaves are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We have 9 leaves here, and what you are going to do? Add one more leaf. So 9 plus 1 gives you 10. Very good. So 9 plus 1 gives you 10. Did you all write in your textbook? Check the answer that is there in the screen. Check the answer. Did you all write correctly? Check it with the answer that is shown on the screen. Yes? Is it done? So before I close this session, I am going to ask you a small question. Okay? So listen carefully to this question, discuss with your parents and find the answer. Okay, now the question is, you have some chocolates in your box. You have some chocolates in the box, but you do not know how many chocolates are there with you. Okay, you forgot to count. But what you did, you added one chocolate in the box. And then you counted and saw that there are 5 chocolates in all. Okay, how many chocolates are there with you now? 5 chocolates. Now the question is, you have to find how many chocolates you were having in the beginning. That is, before adding that one chocolate, how many chocolates you were having in the box. Is the question clear to you? I will repeat the question. You have some chocolates in a box. Okay, but you do not know how many chocolates are there. But what you did, you added one chocolate in the box and then you counted. And you found that there are 5 chocolates in the box. Now the question is, You have to find how many chocolates you were having before adding. That is, how many chocolates you were having in the beginning. Is the question clear to you? Yes? Discuss with your parents and find the answer. Thank you. See you in the next session.